Hi friends, in this video, we will see how to configure call taping feature in SARVAM UCS SOHO. Using call taping, telephonic conversations can be recorded for internal and external calls. Basic requirements: Eternity NENX with SARVAM UCS SOHO application, VMS channel license. Let us go through the configuration now. We will complete the configuration in 4 steps. Select destination mailbox to store call taping files. Assign mailbox to the recording extension. Activate call taping feature on extension and trunk. Configure network drive for voicemail backup. Let us start with the first step of selecting destination mailbox to store call taping files. Log into the GUI as system engineer. Go to Advanced Settings. Go to VMS Configuration, followed by VMS General Parameters. Click on the General Settings to select the destination mailbox to record the calls. There are 2 options available. Common mailbox, calls of all the extensions are stored in the common mailbox. Personal mailbox, calls of all the extensions are stored in their respective mailboxes. We will select common mailbox in our case. We will select the mailbox of extension 21 for recording the calls. Calls of all the extensions on which call taping is enabled will be stored in the mailbox of 21. This completes the first step. Let us move on to the second step of assigning mailbox to the recording extension. Go to SLT Extensions, select the extension number to which you want to assign mailbox, that is 21 in this case. Go to Voicemail Settings. Check Personal Mailbox flag to assign the mailbox. Assign mailbox size in minutes as per your requirement, and size of the USB drive inserted in the system. SARVAM UCS SOHO supports maximum mailbox size of 60,000 minutes. SARVAM UCS SOHO supports USB storage capacity up to 32 GB, and call recording storage is 18 call hours per gigabyte. Also assign the maximum message length in seconds. Maximum message length is 3,600 seconds. Note: for recording calls in personal mailbox, we need to assign mailbox to all the extensions on which call taping is activated. This completes the second step. Let us move on to the third step of activating call taping feature on extensions and trunk. We will activate call taping on extensions 21 and 22. The calls will be recorded to mailbox of 21 as configured earlier. Go to SLT extension 21, followed by call taping. Go to Call Taping, and select Apply as per Call Taping Profile 2. Similarly, configure the same in SLT extension 22. Now, go to the Advanced Settings, followed by Call Taping. Go to Profile 2, as configured, in the extensions 21 and 22. Enable Tape Internal Calls, and Tape Incoming Calls Received Without CLI. Add 0 to 9 and plus icon to record the calls to or from any number, starting from the configured digits. All the calls made to or from 21 or 22 will be recorded, and will be saved in the mailbox of 21. Now, we will enable call taping on the trunk. We will select CO trunk in this case, go to the CO trunk, followed by call taping, and check flag for call taping. Note, to enable or disable the beep during call taping, check play beep when RAID, or call taping, or conversation recording starts flag, if required, under System Parameters, followed by General Parameters. If disable, there will be no beep sound when call taping starts. By default, it is enabled in System Parameters. This completes the third step. Let us move on to the fourth step, to configure network drive for voicemail backup. We will complete this step in 3 parts. Network drive creation on a PC. Network drive configuration in SARVAM UCS. Taking voicemail backup. Let us start with the first part of network drive creation on a PC. Go to the desktop and right-click on this PC icon. Click on Manage. Followed by Local Users and Groups. Followed by Users. Now, right-click on Administrator Account, and go to Set Password. Alert window will pop on the screen. Click on Proceed. Enter new password and confirm it. Create a folder named VMS in the PC, which will be used as a network drive. Right-click the VMS folder and go to Properties, followed by Sharing tab. Click on Share button, and share the folder with everyone with read and write permission level. Go to Advanced Sharing, and check Share this folder flag. Click on Permissions, and provide full control, change and read permissions for everyone. This completes the first part. Let us move on to the second part of network drive configuration in SARVAM UCS. Log into GUI of SARVAM UCS as System Engineer. Go to Maintenance, followed by Network Drive. Check Network Drive flag to enable Network Drive. Enter the IP address of Network Drive, where Mailbox backup files are to be stored. Check Authentication Required flag to enable the authentication process, and program username and password as created earlier. Assign the shared folder name as VMS for Mailbox backup files, as configured earlier. Now, click on Test to verify the link between SARVAM UCS and Network Drive. Connected successfully note appears on the screen. This completes the second part. Let us move on to the third part of taking voicemail backup. Log into GUI as System Administrator. Go to Voicemail, followed by Voicemail Backup. We can take manual or scheduled backup in SARVAM UCS SOHO. We will take manual backup for now. Go to Manual Backup. Go to Backup Mailbox, and select Range. Go to Extension Range, and enter the extension number for which we want backup. We will enter 21 to 22 in our case. Check Delete Messages After Backup flag to delete the messages from VMS memory after the successful backup, and click Backup. After completion of backup process, we can see the taped calls in network drive. This completes the entire configuration. For further queries and support, contact Matrix Technical Support Team. For more videos, go to our YouTube channel, Matrix ComSec.